Hey, it's Botchy and I've got a bit of a noisy car. It's got a bit of a creak in the front suspension. You can probably hear it as I drive along. It sounds like it's coming from the left hand side of the car. It's a fairly common problem in the Ford Falcons and Territories in particular. So we'll get under there and have a look and see what we can find. Okay, if we lift the bonnet we can push down and have a listen. In this case I can actually hear the noise from the back, so I'll turn the car around and have a look at the back. Okay, if I grab the back of the car, you definitely hear it from the back. We'll have a look underneath and see what we can find. Okay, now to fix the sway bar rubbers, just need a 10mm socket on a rattle gun, or use a ratchet if you haven't got one, a tub of grease and a rag. What we do is undo the pull the bracket off. Take the rubber off. Now where the sway bar goes through the rubber, that's where it dries out. So you only need to put the grease on the inside of the rubber. Plenty of grease, the more the merrier. Put that back on. Same on the other side. Okay, put the brackets back on, do him up tight. And we're done. Don't forget to check out my other how-to videos on car repairs and Botch's backyard.